Greensboro Tower, Baron 628 Charlie Delta on about a 5-mile final, runway 32.
Baron 628 Charlie Delta, Greensboro Tower, runway 32, clear to land, wind 250 at 7.
Clear to land 32, 628 Charlie Delta.
We'll get our lights. 21.9. Goes our glide path. Didn't catch it quite early enough. Should have caught it a tad sooner.
Greensboro Tower, Jog 7921 Golf. Straight in for 23 right.
November 7921 Golf, Greensboro Tower, runway 23 right, cleared for the option. After the option, make right, close traffic.
23 right, clear for the option, right, close traffic, going Golf.
Tower Envoy 3878 on the visual, runway 23 left.
Envoy 3878, Greensboro Tower, runway 23 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 23 left, Envoy 3878.
There's 12 flaps, speed checks, they're moving, indicated. I like to be fully configured at around 1,000 feet above the ground. You're around pattern altitude at the minimum on our visual. The 3 green, no red. 3 green, no red. Lights are on. Flaps are full. Picture's rich. Everything's done except for the autopilot y'all did.
Greensboro Tower, Skyhawk 46338 is holding short at 23 right, ready to take off.
Skyhawk 46338, Greensboro Tower, hold short 23 right at Hotel 3, traffic landing runway 32.
Hold short for Skyhawk 4632.
Alright, autopilot y'all damn away. A little gusty. We'll dip down below the glide slope. No
Minimums.
Continue. Wind is from our left. A little left crosswind. Power's off. Open.
November 338, traffic's with Skyhawk, entering about a 2.5 mile final. Turn right heading 300, runway 23 right at Hotel 3, cleared for takeoff.
Greensboro Tower, Skyhawk 46338, clear for takeoff, 23 right at Hotel 3, right turn 300, and traffic is on final.
November 8 Charlie Delta, say parking.
We're going to the MRO.
November 8 Charlie Delta, turn right at Delta 1, taxi straight into the ramp, monitor ground.
Delta 1, straight in, we'll monitor ground. 8 Charlie Delta, thank you.
Alright. Welcome to Greensboro. Thanks for riding along. Be sure to like, share, subscribe.
Wildlife 1's clear of the safety area.
We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.
Wildlife 1, right?